Welcome to GP's Code. In today's video, we're diving into the world of web development with an essential topic, HTML. Understanding HTML is crucial for creating web pages. So let's explore what HTML is and how its basic structures work. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the basic language used to create web pages. It is the backbone of a web page and it allows us to structure content in a browser, like text, images, and links, giving our web pages meaning and structure. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1999 and has evolved into various versions, with HTML5 being the latest. Let's see the basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML page starts with a document type declaration, which is the doc type HTML. This tells the browser that we're using HTML5. The HTML tag is the root element of an HTML document. The header tag contains meta information about the document such as title, character set, and linked resources like the JavaScript and CSS files. The body tag contains the actual content of the web pages, such as text, images, links, and other media. We should also know that the head section contains the title tag, which sets the title of the web page. HTML has a variety of tags to structure content. Some commonly used tags are headings tag, which are numbered from H1 to H6, H1 being the largest and H6 the least. Paragraph tags are used to wrap blocks of text. The link tag creates hyperlinks using href attributes to define the URL. Image tag embeds images in the web pages. List tag creates ordered and unordered lists with list items OL, UL, and LI. Moving on, table tags. They structure tabular data using table, TH, and TD tags. In conclusion, understanding HTML and its essential tags will aid your development of various web projects. Don't forget to practice on your own. If you found this video helpful, drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.